We zijn nog niet zo blij met de voorvering. We
means we, pronounced.
wij.
It's the first person plural personal pronoun, referring to the speaker and at least one other person.
Zijn
Means are, pronounced.
zaeyn.
This is the present tense form of the verb.
Zijn
To be, conjugated for the first person plural.
nog
Means still, or yet. Pronounced.
nog.
It indicates that a situation continues or hasn't changed.
Niet
Means not. Pronounced.
neet.
A simple adverb of negation.
Zo
Means so, or this. Pronounced.
zo.
Here it modifies.
Blij
Indicating a degree or level of happiness.
blij
Means happy, or glad. Pronounced.
blij.
An adjective describing a feeling of joy or contentment.
Met
Means with. Pronounced.
met.
A preposition indicating accompaniment or association.
De
Means there. Pronounced.
duh.
The definite article, specifying a particular noun.
Voorvering
Means front suspension. Pronounced.
voorvering.
A compound noun with
Voor
front and
vering.
suspension. Putting it together.
We zijn nog niet zo blij met de voorvering.
Means we are not so happy with the front suspension, or we're still not very happy with the front suspension. It expresses dissatisfaction with a vehicle's front suspension.